Mobile, the giant killer. Mobile, the giant serial killer, consuming many lives. You stand like a pillar. So far, you have acted like a ruthless king who only enjoys replacing everything. Once upon a time, alarm clock used to rule, but now it is silent and looking like a fool. There was a camera that all used to click, but now it is dying because of being sick. The watch used to shine on the people's wrist. It has slowly vanished from their must have list. Radio tape recorders and whosoever came, all of them submitted in the battle game. You have penetrated like a sharp driller. Mobile, the giant serial killer. As the time passed, you changed your shape and size. Very few can match up such a speedy rise. You started as a partner of the landline phone, pushing it in the background. You moved up all alone. On the biggest target you have set your sight. Now it is computer you have chosen for the fight. Even TV is not safe as you tighten your grip. This will make your journey like a pleasant trip. Every rolling head pleases you like a thriller. Mobile, the giant serial killer, consuming many lives. You stand like a pillar. You stand like a pillar.